Good day, explorers. Here is how to use the Pomodoro Timer App. It is all about work efficiency. So, we set the time that we want to work, study, or do exercises and things like that. Let's say it will be 30 minutes. And we set the duration of the breaks. It's the big, and I have to reset the timer if I change the numbers. Now, to test it, I will make it, well, let's make it 20 seconds and 5 seconds rest, break. Okay, and when we press start, it will begin to count. And we may work, right? Or do stuff. Like, where is my drink? I don't see my drink. This cup, and it will be a sound. Now it will begin to check the break. Actually, it directly begin to count the break. It doesn't wait for the pressing button. And okay, we can pause. We can select it 5 minutes. 50 minutes. This is almost an hour. Okay. This will be about some very important task to work a whole hour on it. Like playing games. All right. This is for now. I'm just having fun with HTML5. All right. Master Ogiwon out.